Hell yeah.
Well, well, well. What do we have here, you might ask? You might ask. You should ask. You go ahead. Oh, what do I have here? First of all, you subscribe. Go down there and subscribe real quick. If you like the videos, dislike the videos, thumbs down, all that good stuff. Today we have something special, and I have not used it yet. So before you get in the comments and say, how does it cut? I don't know. I'll be back later to see if I've used it. But today we have the golden gun from Gamma. You see that? Woo! Collector's edition. So also, when people say, why would they make a gun? Why would they make a clipper like that? It doesn't. Collector's edition. This might not be for you if you're not wanting to put out the money for the golden gun. But I have the golden gun. Professional cordless clipper with microchip magnetic motor. What do we got here? We got fully adjustable fade blade. It comes with the fade blade, 3 customizable levers, microchipped 10,000 strokes per minute, turbo motor, fine-tuned for increased power. Of course, you get the cleaning tools. All right, let's open this thing up, right? We're just gonna see what's in here, and we're gonna get to the machine here in a second, because that's what we want to see. That's what we want to see. All right. So it does come with a charging cord, and you can see everything opens up. They're pretty much the same. You know how Gamma does it. Opens up. Get the charging cord. Blades just fell. Guards just fell. Look at that. We got a nice charging dock. Set your gun on that thing. We're gonna set that on there in a second. All right. Of course, you get the brush. Anything up under there? What we got up under here? Oh, so they give you a case. It looks like to stand it up, set it in the case. There's your levers. Before I put this video out, I'm gonna put this thing together. Right? We're gonna put that thing together. Of course, you get your screwdriver just in case you're trying to zero gap your gun. All right. All right, so we're going to close that up, right? It does come with single magnetic guards. I mean, that's cool. You don't need the high tech, the high powered, the double magnetic guards if you're not going to be using it, right? It's a collector's item. Look at it. Look at it. All gold. Gold blade. Now, Gamma, if you're listening to me, we need this to be able to buy separately, to put on other things. You can go ahead and drop that for us too. All right. Click lever. Cool. Look at that. You know, if you wanna run up, you don't do that though. But you see, now do it say how long? Let me see. Don't say no run, 120 minutes run time. I'm not gonna complain, that's 2 hours. Who's gonna be using it for 2 hours? We don't know. But that's the design, I like that. You can see the motor. Golden gun, is that right up? Nope. Golden gun. Nice design. I mean, you see the detail, got the Gamma logo. It's very nice. How does it sound? Very quiet. That's nice. So, with that being said, it does seem like a collectibles, a collection or collector's item, right? It does seem like a collector's item. So I know a lot of people was like, when they first was talking about this, they was like, who would use that? Who's gonna use that? Blah, blah, blah. But maybe companies just wanna give you something special every now and then. And I am glad I got it. And I will be displaying it somewhere. And we will be putting that case up. Let's see. Let's put this stand on it real quick. Where'd the stand go? Here we go. So it does look like the stand is a charging dock for it. But of course, if you just got it in the case, it don't need to be, it does not need to be a charger. You don't need to be charging it. I mean, but there it go. Now, am I gonna try this out on a head or two? There's a good chance. There's a high chance that I'm gonna try this out on the head. And I'm gonna try to hold it like that, all right? I'm gonna try to cut like that. How does that work? Seem like I'm gonna be digging into your skin. But anyway, let's put the case together. Let's do that. So here it is in the case. It looked like we need to, clean the case off because it's not as see-through as I thought it was going to be. All right. Maybe if I get me a glass case and actually set it up, maybe it'll look a little better. But all in all, that's the case. Let's see. We can stand up. We can't even stand them up for a second. Nope. But there it go. Looking all good. We just take that off. I set it up just like that. Move it on out the way. And now that we've done that, you see it all put together. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, comment, like, share the videos. And if you dislike the videos, that's fine. There's a thumbs down button. This is just a quick unboxing of the golden gun from Gamma. I just wanted to see what it was like. I'm glad I got my hands on it. If you do want to purchase this, it will be releasing soon. I'm gonna contact them, make sure I got the date correctly, and I'm gonna put it here if I got it by the time I put the video out. If not, when it does drop, and if you just want to have this, you just gotta have it, use the discount code Cuts by Reggie, save you some money on purchasing. All right? Appreciate you. And I'll be back with another one very soon. Peace.